We're gonna go to my grandpa's, right? I gotta record on my phone. My camera's dead and it's in there. It's been too long since I made a vlog.
Curse of the black man.
It's like nighttime because we left at like 8 o'clock. We made it. Say we made it, Justin. Say it. Say it. Say we made it, Justin. Say we made it.
A whole bunch of turbulence.
Oh, you're squishing my balls.
Dude, when you put it on me, right here, flashback. Bend over. It's time to get your power. It tastes bad.
I'm sorry.
Oh, in your mouth.
Sorry. Alright guys, so we're out here and my grandpa bought something new. He bought a go-kart. Look at him! Ooh! Holy! There she goes. Four-wheeler's running now somehow.
Alright, little gangsters, we were having some problems with it, but now we got it back to working. It's about 11 in the morning, 12 in the morning. We're having problems with it, but it's working now. As you can see, probably get out go-kart later. Now we're going back on the go-kart.
We're gonna go back on the go-kart and destroy our butts.
Yes, sir.
Come with me now. Come with me now. I'll take you round. Come with me now. I'll show you how. Come with me now. I'll take you round. Come with me now. I'll show you how.
What?
Ted Bundy was licking my nipple.
Hey yo, what the fuck?
With peanut butter.
Alright guys, so we drove the go-kart a lot except Grace because she's scared.
Alright, little gangsters. Nolan's driving.
Look, I got my license. That's right. Anyway, we're at McDonald's, like always. What are you doing, Grace? We stole my grandma's car.
Later that night.
Alright, let's go see what Justin's doing. What are you doing?
Nothing?
What are you doing with that? What are you doing with that mayonnaise? Whoa!
I'm drunk.
You're drunk?
I'm drunk.
After drinking that ranch?
Yeah.
Sit your drunk ass down.
Whoa.
Oh! Oh, there he goes. Let's go see where that freak went.
Sorry about it. You guys had to see that. Oh, look. It's Nolan's phone. I wonder where Nolan's at. Anyways, little gangsters, I'll talk to you guys later. Put an outro. Put an outro at the end of this.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe.
Oh. You said what?
Oh. I didn't mean it. I didn't mean it. Calm down. Calm down. Ow! Ow! Oh. What was that?
What's that? Hey.
What is that? Oh. Oh, there he goes. We're at this redneck concert thing. It's up there. We're down here. Look at him. Look at him.
I found a shisha. Look. I hear the ocean. Listen.
What a fucking.
Wow.
Wow, they can't say that stuff. It's offensive. Wow.
Listen. It's a geode. That's pure stuff right there. See, I told you that's the geode. We're back at it. What's the gang? What's the gang go? What's the slats? Pretty much just me and Nolan. We're trying to get this.
Pretty much just me and Nolan. We're going to Walmart because the Walmart in my grandpa's redneck town has cheap prices, and I need a GoPro. And I'm rich because I work at McDonald's. We're rich because we work at McDonald's.
We work at McDonald's.
All right, we're shooting on the GoPro now. Whoa, whoa. All right, yeah, so we're shooting on the GoPro now. The go-kart's f***ed up.
Hey! This thing for real is about to fall off my head. It keeps going.
Is it on all the way?
Yes. That shit hurt! Ow! 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 Oh, he's still running after me! Ow! 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 I don't like it. I don't like him going after me.
It's been 4 days since I've been here. Look at the time. I don't know how much longer I can do this for. If you're seeing this, I don't know about my life, but send help. Please. I'm begging.
Okay, you're solid.
Autism monkey fart. Put effort into it.
Man, F this beat.
Better.
Ah! My hand's hurting. Ah! Hard out there. Look at her. Oh!
I'm okay.
Grace, you just ran into barbed wire.
I'm okay though.
That's going in the video too. We caught it on the GoPro too. Justin, we're gonna go famous.
It's good.
We're gonna go famous. Justin, move the basket. Move the basket. I can lay across.
Go with the.
Take it off.
Go with the.